Hello everyone, welcome back to Haggai. And yeah, this is basically gonna be the first video of me just making videos of what I do in life. So I think because I said in my first video, in the introduction, that I'm just gonna be doing like a video of my daily lifestyle, videos of my daily lifestyle. Um Something like that. Sorry, I couldn't remember. But I think that's the same thing as videos that I do in my life. I think so. Yeah, just basically videos I do of my life. And the first video for this is going to be a mukbang. So I got food a few minutes ago from Jack in the Box. I got 5-piece chicken strips with curly fries, and then for drink I have milk, and I'm gonna be eating the food and drinking. We're gonna be eating all this food and drinking the milk. I think milk is food. Yeah, I saw it from a category. Sorry for saying that. Yeah, I'll be having this, and it'll be an eating show. So yeah, let's get to it. Uh oh no, I thought I saw a lot of dust on my phone. Don't worry about that. It was that this is just basically nothing. Sorry. I'm being original. Um, let's do a little sanitizing, shall we? Yeah. Just doing a little sanitizing. Alright, so I got some really good food. Jack in the Box chicken strips are really bomb, so I truly am going to enjoy this. So what we got here, and then for sauce I got barbecue sauce. So ooh, okay. Got curly fries. Yep, as I said, a bunch of them fell out of the bag. Fell into the bag. I tried to move it out. It fell back into the bag. I also have another beverage, water. I have it in a cup. It's close by the camera, by my phone. I'm using my phone for this, but it just goes by, but we can't see it. Barbecue sauce for the nuggets. So, how you guys liking fall? I love fall. Fall is one of my favorite seasons ever. So, I like how cold it is. I actually prefer cold weather than hot weather. So this is awesome for me. Okay. Oh, did I? Hang on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. I have to just do a little cleaning. It smells really good. These are the chicken strips. Actually, yeah, you can see them. Yeah, they look really good. It smells really good. It smells like a mixture of KFC and Popeyes, which sounds awesome. Should I get some? Hang on a sec. It's this one. This one. Yeah. Like a little. Just have like a little bleeding. Okay. With the first, let's start with the first. That's now. So I'm gonna start with the first chicken strip. Looks really good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Since this is my first mukbang, well, yeah, little rainy today, so it's been a little change in the electricity. Don't worry about it, it's fine. Since it's my first mukbang, sorry I've been doing this, I want to get, I'm a little still eating a little bit, sorry. Since it's my first mukbang, I'm just gonna try to focus on eating more, so I can get all the food, because, I really want to succeed in that. So I'm gonna be eating a lot. I will also talk about I'll mostly just be eating more, which is obviously what this is for. But yeah, we've had some barbecue sauce. Curly fries. Curly fries look really cool, actually. Yeah, I got it from a friend. Because one time when I was in elementary school, after school on a Friday, I was with my friend, and me and him got Jack in the Box, and I got regular fries and he got curly fries, and I wanted to try one of the curly fries that looks like this, and he said, "No, that looks cool." Oops, sorry. He said, "No, that looks cool," and like I agree. Yeah, just try not to make a mess. Go. To really savor all the sauce, I really get most of it to taste something. I think it's a taste something. Here we are. But look at this. Yeah. Also, a lot of the curly fries are in the bag. I think I dropped something. That's why, yeah. So one time they gave like I think a few times actually not one two. They gave 3 barbecue sauces, which are awesome, but 2 is good for me. But 3 is also good. It's awesome. Oh. Good job. Yeah. Almost done, which is awesome. I'm gonna drink my milk later at the end. Which is better, chicken strips or nuggets? I can't decide. I like both, but I think chicken strips because they're more bigger. You get more meat. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat my last chicken strip. I was really hungry. I really want this channel to be huge. So yeah. Well, not huge about famous wise, but huge like I get like yeah, like 10,000, 20,000 subscribers. This is so good. I like it. I do. Yeah. Oh shit, this thing though. Sorry for cussing. I'm not gonna cuss. I said oh shoot. Wait, so I didn't cuss at all. Wait. Mm-hmm. And mm-hmm. I took a nap before 30 minutes before and I woke up 30 minutes before I did this video, so I look a little tired. I'm tired. Hair's messy, I'm sorry. So, almost done with the fries. Like a small amount. Like a small amount. So like a little bit, like this much. So, I don't know if you guys do this, but whenever I eat food, most of the time, I little bit of fries from any fast food, I just do that. But I'll just do it slowly, so yeah. I might do my next one on Dairy Queen next, so yeah, that'll be good. I'm gonna eat Dairy Queen tomorrow, so I might make a video on that. I will. Sorry for thinking might. I will. Okay, all done with the food. I mean, chicken and fries, the sauce. Okay. Just gonna wash my hands and then I'll be back. Got the milk. Got some water from the pitcher. Yeah, this is really getting along. I think for Dairy Queen tomorrow, I need something like this. I'm gonna try like a no talking mukbang. So I'll put it down, and then like you guys can just look at everything on the description or in the comments, asking what I got, because I don't want to keep making a mess when eating. Nothing against anything. It just has to do with me. I get really messy and I need to stop doing that, and I also get kind of clumsy when eating sometimes. So that's why sometimes I was looking around to make sure I didn't spill anything. Not spill, but make a mess or drop something. So yeah, so I might do a no talking mukbang. I'll show the food, and then I'll just leave everything in the description of the comments. I don't think I've ever seen like a no talking. I think I have, but I think it's more ASMR. But it's not no talking, or I think I saw one video that had no talking mukbang. Well, that would be cool for no talking mukbang. But I know that people love talking. That'll be fun to try out, but no. But yeah, awesome. Yeah. Done with the milk. After none of this water, this mukbang's done. Awesome. Fantastic. Thanks guys for watching my mukbang and joining with me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. and I will see you in my next one, which I think will be tomorrow. And I'll be doing it on Dairy Queen topping. I would just think of things. No, nothing in this video. I just think it'll be tomorrow, for planning and stuff. Or if I'm going to do it. Sorry, I just forgot what I said. I'm so sorry. It'll be tomorrow. Sorry about that. Right. Take care, guys.